The first step in performing any maintenance on an air compressor is to shut off the power at the breaker. To drain the air compressor tank, simply close the lower ball valve to isolate the compressor from the system, and then open the upper ball valve to drain the stored air through the muffler. One of the most critical maintenance steps with a dry air series compressor is to change the coalescing filter every 6 months.
Start by disconnecting the black drain hose from the bottom of the filter. Then remove the tube from the filter head by rotating the tube counterclockwise.
Next, remove the bottom nut from the filter stem. Now you'll reuse the top baffle and bottom nut to install your new filter element. Reinstall the canister by hand tightening it securely into place. Lastly, reattach the black drain hose to the canister to complete the filter replacement. For the dryer piston maintenance, start by detaching the black nylon signal line. Next, remove the 4 Allen bolts from the plate using a 3/16" Allen wrench. Then firmly grip and pull the front plate straight out. To remove the piston, thread a 1/2" bolt into it and pull it out. Make sure to also remove the piston spring during this step. Using the lubricant provided in your maintenance kit, apply it to the piston O-rings and spring body. Apply the lubricant to the piston cavity as well. During your annual maintenance, be sure to replace the piston O-rings. Now reinstall the piston into the dryer block. Then, reinstall the piston plate and secure it with the Allen screws. Finally, reattach the black nylon signal line to complete the piston maintenance. For your 3-year maintenance cycle, you'll need to replace all 4 dryer canisters. Use a rubber strap wrench placed at the base of the canister to break the seal and remove it. When removing the canister, the block stud may sometimes stay attached to it. If this happens, make sure to remove the stud from the canister and reinstall it in the dryer block. Apply lubricant to the large canister gasket. Install your new dryer canister into the tower block. Like changing an oil filter on your car, hand tighten the canister, then turn it an additional 1/4 turn to ensure a proper seal. If you'd like to learn more about C-Aire's FM-approved dry air series compressors, please visit our website or give us a call.